Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests, pasteurized Kvass. For the sake of food safety, industrially produced Kvass always undergoes heat treatment. That's why its shelf life exceeds 21 days. The vitamin and mineral composition doesn't change because of this. The beneficial substances here are heat-resistant, meaning pasteurized Kvass is almost identical to live Kvass. Live Kvass. Manufacturers know how to bottle unfiltered Kvass, just like beer, using a special method to stop the fermentation process. You don't need to worry about the safety of live Kvass in bottles. Inside a hermetically sealed package, no harmful flora, let alone fauna, can take hold. But this kind of Kvass can't stay live for long. 3 to 5 days. And it must be refrigerated. It can't tolerate sunlight, so it's sold in dark plastic or glass packaging. At the supermarket, carefully study the label. Live Kvass has a very simple composition. Water, sugar, wheat or rye flour, malt, and yeast is a must. That means no E numbers, no E additives whatsoever. The label saying fermentation product is great, that means the Kvass got its fizziness naturally. But if the label says carbonated beverage, it means it was pumped with carbon dioxide. To be continued, stay with us.